Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited to bring you this one. This is the top secret, the double secret pizza sauce recipe. Stay tuned here. All right, jump right into this. In this bowl, I have San Marzano tomatoes, the whole peeled, guys, right here. And what I want to do is, barbaric, just get your hands in here and we're just going to crush these up. And just like this, get little pieces of them. We don't have to make them super fine. We don't want to blend this. We don't want this too smooth. We want it nice and rustic. So this is one 12-ounce can for you guys writing this down at home. And this is the same way. I've made this for years like this. I love it. I think I stole it from my grandparents. I don't even know, but it's mine now. All right, let's get these. Dig deep. Make sure we get them all. Strip them all. Just like this. Little squishy, but fun. All right, now that my hands are a mess, I will use a clean white towel, which everyone loves. So check that, beautiful consistency. To this, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Garlic salt, so let's say a nice tablespoon. Give it a little punch. And some dried Italian seasoning, same amount, equal parts. Perfection. Give this a stir. To that, I'm just gonna add a little fresh factor, a little chiffonade of some basil. So, take the basil, roll it up like this. Very nice, just breaking those leaves. When you break this, it helps it out, release the natural oils. Then we'll get our knife, nice and sharp. Do a chiffonade, just like this. Thinner the better for the sauce, because it'll spread and it'll look great. You can go rustic on the pizza, but very nice. Almost hair-like. Helps with a sharp knife. Look at that. Smells beautiful, looks beautiful, and primarily it'll taste beautiful. That, quick and easy sauce for your pizzas.